Hey everyone, forgot your Facebook password and can't log in? No worries. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and safest way to recover or reset your Facebook password step by step. Step 1. Open Facebook login page. First, open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com in your browser. On the login screen, tap or click Forgotten Password. Step 2. Enter your email or phone. Now tap the email address or phone number linked to your Facebook account. Tap search so Facebook can find your account. Step 3. Choose how to verify. Facebook will show recovery options. Pick to receive verification code via SMS or email, then tap continue. Step 4. Enter verification code. Check your email or phone for the code. Enter it on Facebook to confirm your identity. Step 5. Set a new password. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm it and your account will be recovered. Step 6. Can't access email or phone. If you no longer have access to your email or phone, tap Try another way. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and recover your account. Security tips. Save your new password safely. Make sure your recovery email and phone number are up to date. Never share your Facebook password with anyone. And that's it. Now you know how to easily recover or reset your Facebook password. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy Facebook and tech tutorials.